The two F's are in the building.
Never expected that I'm working. I'm knowing this for certain. It's showtime now, sir. Let's open up the curtains. Addicted to the crowd, but I was born above the clouds. I'm living life now in my own version. Whether it's contracts or management, I find a way to balance it. I'm dizzy from daydreams and I'm up there where the planets is. I wonder where the answers is, where I find them at. Take my head up off the desk, I'm asking where my finals at. I'm all graduate, straight out the academy. Marvel every student with my music plus the faculty. Sneakers on the pedal, see I'm checking on my levels. Talent's like a vessel, I'm never folding under pressure. You ain't on my level, so step aside. Go outside, looking up and see me soaring through the sky. I'ma never let you down me again. I'ma never let you down me again. Right now it's crunch time, so I'ma get mine. If you ain't with it, then I'ma leave you behind. Then I'ma leave you behind. Like I'm all better when it's 2S forever. That's forever fly dudes with forever fly feathers. Scheming as a team and top seated in the season. See, they pick me for a reason and they gossip like they're Regis. It's colder than Ontario, banging out your stereo. I got that yacht, full spitting like a Mario. Finally coming home, I'm knocking down the dominoes. Yes, I'm in my zone, I'm telling 2010 to Vominos. I'm real drama prone, had to bring the hat along. Life's a battle zone and I'm dreaming till I'm catacomb. Control life, no analog, haters watch them banner on. Flow is 4-0, I'm standing out with no camouflage. Long on the stages, the planes, the highways. Dreaming about walking red carpets, the fly things. Hometown hero, and he know, and she know that even with an ego, I'm still about the people. You ain't on my level, so step aside, go outside, looking up and see me soaring through the sky. I'ma never let you down me again. I'ma never let you down me again. Right now it's crunch time, so I'ma get mine. If you ain't with it, then I'ma leave you behind. Then I'ma leave you behind. You ain't on my level, so step aside, go outside, looking up and see me soaring through the sky. I'ma never let you down me again. I'ma never let you down me again.